Hello, friends. Explore the latest new gadgets that are revolutionizing daily life, from smart home assistants that manage your schedule to wireless charging pads that keep your devices powered up effortlessly. Discover sleek fitness trackers that monitor your health and well-being around the clock. Enjoy immersive experiences with high-definition smart TVs and noise-canceling headphones. With these cutting-edge tools, you can enhance productivity, comfort, and entertainment. Embrace innovation and make your home smarter and more efficient today. Watch the full video without dragging the video, and if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get more new exclusive videos. Thanks. So let's start the video. The
MyBaby Baby Sound Machine. The MyBaby Baby Sound Machine provides soothing sounds to help your little one sleep peacefully. It offers multiple sound options, including white noise, lullabies, and nature sounds, to calm and comfort your baby. The compact design makes it easy to place anywhere in the nursery or take on the go. With a convenient auto-off timer, you can set it for 15, 30, or 60 minutes. The adjustable volume ensures a perfect sound level for your baby's needs. This sound machine is an ideal sleep aid for creating a restful environment.
Super fast charging station provides powerful and efficient charging for multiple devices. It features USB-A and USB-C ports, allowing you to charge smartphones, tablets, and other gadgets simultaneously. With 30W output, it delivers rapid charging to compatible devices, reducing wait times. Its compact and sleek design makes it perfect for home, office, or travel use. Built-in safety features protect against overheating, overcharging, and short circuits. Keep your devices powered up quickly and safely with this versatile charging station.
Headphones Headband Eye Mask combines comfort and technology for a restful sleep. It features built-in Bluetooth headphones, allowing you to listen to music or white noise without the discomfort of traditional earbuds. The soft, breathable fabric doubles as a sleep mask, blocking out light for better relaxation. With a rechargeable battery, it provides hours of wireless listening. The headband is adjustable to fit comfortably, making it ideal for travel, meditation, or sleep. Experience peaceful sleep with this all-in-one eye mask and headphone solution.
The Window Vacuum Squeegee makes cleaning windows quick and streak-free. This handheld device combines a squeegee with a powerful vacuum to remove water and dirt without leaving marks. Its lightweight design allows for easy handling on windows, mirrors, and glass surfaces. The rechargeable battery ensures cordless convenience, perfect for indoor and outdoor use. With its efficient suction, it reduces dripping and mess during cleaning, ideal for maintaining sparkling clean windows with minimal effort.
3D Pen Set for Kids, the 3Doodler. Start Essentials 2024. 3D Pen Set for Kids is an easy-to-use, child-safe 3D printing pen that sparks creativity. Designed for ages 6 and up, it allows kids to create 3D objects without hot parts, ensuring safe handling. The pen uses eco-friendly, biodegradable plastic that melts at low temperatures, making it safe to touch. With its wireless, rechargeable design, kids can doodle anywhere, encouraging imagination on the go. The set includes a variety of colorful filaments and project ideas, making it perfect for both fun and...
The adjustable foldable laptop standbar offers ergonomic support for comfortable laptop use. Its adjustable height and angle help reduce neck and back strain during long hours of work. The stand is foldable, making it easy to carry and store, perfect for travel or home use. Made from durable materials, it supports laptops of various sizes and ensures stability. Ventilation holes help keep your laptop cool, preventing overheating. Ideal for improving posture and productivity, this stand enhances your workspace setup.
Roku Voice Remote. The Roku Voice Remote offers a simple way to control your Roku device with ease. It features voice control, allowing you to search for shows, launch channels, and control playback hands-free. With dedicated buttons for popular streaming services, navigation is quick and efficient. The remote is compatible with most Roku players and TVs, offering seamless integration. Its simple setup makes it easy to pair and use right away. With the Roku Voice Remote, enjoy a more convenient and personalized streaming experience.
Case offers durable protection for your TV remote. Made from high-quality silicone, it guards against scratches, drops, and everyday wear. The anti-slip texture provides a comfortable grip and prevents slipping, while the vibrant colors make your remote easy to find. This case is designed to fit snugly and allow full access to all buttons and ports. It's lightweight and easy to install, ensuring your remote stays protected without added bulk. Keep your remote safe and stylish with the Pinowu silicone remote case.
Mop and Broom Holder. The Mop and Broom Holder offers a convenient solution for organizing cleaning tools. It features 5 slots and 6 hooks designed to hold mops, brooms, and other household items securely. The non-slip grip ensures items stay in place, while the durable build supports heavy-duty use. Its compact, wall-mounted design saves space and keeps tools within easy reach. Easy to install, this holder is perfect for kitchens, garages, and utility rooms. Keep your home neat and clutter-free with this practical organizer.
The Ring Video Doorbell 3 Plus offers advanced home security with enhanced video and motion detection. It features 1080p HD video, allowing you to see, hear, and speak to visitors from your smartphone or tablet. The pre-roll feature records 4 seconds before motion is detected, giving you a clearer picture of events. With dual-band Wi-Fi, it ensures a more stable connection for real-time alerts and live view. Easy to install, it includes customizable motion zones for more precise monitoring. Keep your home secure with this smart, reliable video doorbell.